Lads, first question been asked to do is question 8. If you look at question 8, there's a numerator and denominator, a top one and a bottom one. I'm going to take 3 out of the top one, so it's going to leave me with 3 into x plus 2. On the bottom, I'm going to take out 4. It's going to leave me with 4 into x plus 2. Since x plus 2 and x plus 2 are exactly the same number, and they're being multiplied by 3 and multiplied by 4 top and bottom, it means I can cross them off. However, in a different situation, where let's say I had 3 plus x plus 2 and I had 4 plus x plus 2. These x plus 2's are being added, not multiplied, therefore crossing them off would not be allowed. Everybody got that? Has to be multiplied top and bottom. Okay, so that's question 8. So let me make a note of that, question 8. Question 13. In question 13, guys, what we're looking at here is we're looking to factorize the top and then factorize the bottom. You do your method for factorizing, you should get x plus 2 and x minus 1. Everybody happy with factorizing that? Then what's it divided by? X plus 2. What happens this time? They cancel, leaving over x minus 1. Next one, question 16. What we're doing here is we're factorizing the top. What can I take out of the top? What can I take out of the top, lads? 4. What's left over then? X minus 3. And on the bottom I have x squared plus 1x minus 12. So what do I put in here, guys? X plus 4 and x minus 3. Everybody happy with that? So which part are you not happy with?
The bottom.
The bottom part?
Yeah.
Okay, I did the bottom part the short way, I'll do it the long way now, okay? The bottom part is you multiply 1 by minus 12. Yeah? What happens when you multiply 1 by minus 12? You get minus 12. You want two numbers that multiply to give you minus 12, but add to give you 1. What are those two numbers?
Minus 3 plus 4.
4 and minus 3, or minus 3 plus 4. Then can you extend it? You go x squared plus 4x minus 3x minus 12. Take out the x, so it's x bracket x plus 4 minus 3 into x plus 4. You happy with that?
Yeah.
Then after that it's x minus 3 and
X plus 4.
and that goes underneath. So that's all I'm doing, Keith. I'm just doing the long method because you guys were getting them all correct in the last exercise. Now what's next, guys? The x minus 3 cancels, and what's the end answer? What's the end answer, guys? How many people got that answer? Okay. John else first. Okay, guys, 19. Okay. Guys, with question 19, what we have here is this. We have, what can I factorize out of the top, Kim?
X.
Bracket?
X minus 2.
Minus 2, good job. Okay, underneath, what can I say about this? It's x squared plus 1x minus 6. What's my number I'm going to use?
Minus 6.
Two numbers that multiply to give me minus 6, but add to give me 1. What are they?
Minus 5 plus 6.
No, minus 5 and plus 6 multiply to give you 30.
Oh yeah.
Plus 3 minus 2. You do the usual, we all know the usual routine at this stage, don't we? I'll do it out. X squared plus 3x minus 2x minus 6. Factorize x into x plus 3 minus 2 into x plus 3. X minus 2 x plus 3. Where do I put that? Underneath. And then what happens? Oh, one sec guys, that went bogey. Then what?
Cancel the x minus 2 and x minus 3.
Yeah. What happens then? And what's my answer? X over x plus 3. Can anybody tell me, am I allowed to strike off those two x's?
No.
Why not?
It's not.
One of them's been added, so it's not allowed. Yes, sir.
Alright, you know what yesterday you said,
What you're telling me to do is this, right? If this was x divided by x multiplied by 3, x divided by x can cancel, and the answer is 1 over 3. But because it's been added on the bottom, you're not allowed. Okay? Alright. Alright guys, so that's 13, 10, sorry, that's 8, 13, 16, 19, and then I'm going for 20. Okay? Here's question 20 here. Now, what do you think of the top one? X squared minus 2x minus 15. Two numbers that multiply to give you minus 15, but will add to give you minus 2. What do you reckon?
negative 5 plus 3.
Negative 5 and a.
Plus 3.
Now, some of you might have already figured this out. Do you know when they start off with a 1? They're really simple. You can just do it like this. You don't even have to do the extra steps. So when it starts off with a 1, you can actually just jump straight into the answer every time. However, when it starts with any other number other than a 1, you got to do it the long way. 2 times minus 5. Two numbers that multiply to give you minus 10 but will add to give you minus 9. Minus 10 plus 1. Now look at this. 2x squared minus 10x plus 1x minus 5. What's next? What can I take out of here? Into? And then, sorry, that does that sometimes. Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead in the water now. Sorry. I had to quit this in a second. Okay, what's next then? Plus 1 into? Okay, then after that, 2x plus 1 and x minus 5. And what happens next? Cancel the x minus 5s. And what's the answer? Who got that? Alright, good job, Mosey. Alright, good job. Okay, so